Where are you from? Where are you going? Where are the teachers? Where is my phone? Where is your friend? Where is the nearest petrol station? Where do you live? Where do you work? Where do you want to go today? Where can I sit? Where can we meet tomorrow? Where can I buy a ticket? Where should I wait? Where did you go on holiday? Where did you learn English? Where did they buy that car? Where were you last night? Where was the party held? Where will you be tomorrow? Where have you been? Where has he put the keys? Where had you been before the accident? Where does he work? Where does the bus stop? Where can we meet tomorrow? Where could I find more information? Where would they meet us? Where would you like to go? Where must we submit the form? Where should I put this bag?